Peru doesn't just welcome you, it pulls you into a world charged with mystery and wonder. Every landscape feels layered with history, as if the past is still quietly present. Ancient traditions and modern life blend in ways that feel seamless and alive. There's an energy that keeps your curiosity awake at every turn. It leaves you with the sense that something extraordinary is always just beyond reach. Arequipa is one of Peru's most distinctive and culturally rich cities, located in the southern part of the country at the foot of 3 towering volcanoes, including El Misti. Known as the White City, because many of its historic buildings are constructed from pale volcanic stone called sillar, Arequipa blends striking colonial architecture with dramatic natural surroundings. Its historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features beautiful plazas, ornate churches, and centuries-old monasteries like Santa Catalina, which feels like a small city within the city. Beyond its architecture, Arequipa is also a gateway to natural wonders such as the Colca Canyon, one of the deepest canyons in the world and home to the majestic Andean condor. The city has a strong culinary identity as well, with spicy regional dishes that reflect its unique blend of indigenous and Spanish influences. Colca Canyon in Peru is one of the deepest canyons in the world, carved by the Colca River through the Andes Mountains in the southern part of the country. Located near the city of Arequipa, it is famous for its dramatic scenery, terraced hillsides that date back to pre-Inca times, and traditional villages where indigenous communities still maintain many of their ancestral customs. The canyon is also one of the best places on Earth to see the Andean condor soaring on thermal currents above the cliffs, often at close range from popular viewpoints like Cruz del Condor. In addition to its natural beauty, Colca Canyon offers hiking, hot springs, and cultural experiences that make it a major destination for travelers seeking both adventure and a connection to Peru's highland heritage. Cusco is a historic city in southeastern Peru and was once the capital of the Inca Empire, making it one of the most culturally and archaeologically significant places in South America. Today, it blends Inca foundations with Spanish colonial architecture, especially visible in its churches and plazas built atop ancient stonework. The city sits high in the Andes, which gives it a unique atmosphere and also makes it a common starting point for travelers acclimating before exploring nearby sites. One of the most famous destinations connected to Cusco is Machu Picchu, the iconic Inca citadel that attracts visitors from around the world. Cusco also serves as a gateway to the Sacred Valley, a region filled with ruins, traditional villages, and agricultural terraces that showcase the ingenuity of the Inca civilization. Gocta Falls, located in the Amazonas region of Peru, is one of the tallest waterfalls in the world, with a total drop of about 771 meters or 2,530 feet spread over 2 dramatic tiers. For centuries it remained largely unknown outside the local area, hidden within the dense cloud forests of northern Peru, until it gained international attention in 2005. Today, it stands as a striking example of Peru's natural beauty beyond its more famous landmarks. Surrounded by lush vegetation, misty cliffs, and diverse wildlife, Gocta offers a breathtaking and relatively untouched environment. Visitors usually reach the falls by hiking through scenic rural villages and forest trails, making the journey just as memorable as the destination. Hucachina is a small desert oasis village located in southwestern Peru, built around a natural lagoon surrounded by towering sand dunes. Often called the Oasis of America, it has become a popular tourist destination thanks to its dramatic landscape and adventure activities. Visitors come to go sandboarding and ride dune buggies across the massive dunes that shift with the wind, especially at sunset when the desert turns golden. According to local legend, the lagoon was formed when a princess was discovered bathing and left behind a mirror that transformed into the water, adding a mythical feel to the already striking scenery. Despite its small size, Hucachina blends natural beauty, folklore, and adrenaline-filled experiences into one of Peru's most distinctive destinations. Huascarán National Park in Peru is a breathtaking protected area located in the central Andes within the Ancash region. It was established in 1975 and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding natural beauty and biodiversity. The park is dominated by the Cordillera Blanca mountain range, which includes Huascaran, the highest peak in Peru. Its landscape features towering snow-capped mountains, deep glacial valleys, turquoise lakes, and diverse ecosystems ranging from high-altitude grasslands to cloud forests. The park is also home to unique wildlife such as the Andean condor, spectacled bear, and vicuña. Popular activities include trekking, mountaineering, and exploring trails like the Santa Cruz Trek, which offers stunning views of glaciers and alpine scenery. Lake Titicaca is a large, high-altitude lake located in the Andes Mountains on the border between Peru and Bolivia, and it is often considered the highest navigable lake in the world. In Peru, the lake is closely connected to the city of Puno and is an important cultural and historical region for indigenous communities, especially the Quechua and Aymara peoples. The lake is famous for its deep blue waters, traditional reed boats, and the floating Urosh Islands, which are man-made islands constructed from layers of totora reeds. It also holds significant mythological importance in Incan legend, where it is believed to be the birthplace of the sun and the origin of the Inca civilization. Today, Lake Titicaca remains a major tourist destination, valued for both its natural beauty and its rich cultural heritage. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan citadel located high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, near the city of Cusco. Built in the 15th century during the reign of Emperor Pachacuti, it is believed to have served as a royal estate, religious site, or ceremonial center. The site is famous for its sophisticated dry stone construction, which fits massive stones together without mortar, as well as its dramatic setting between steep mountain peaks and lush cloud forest. Rediscovered in 1911 by explorer Hiram Bingham, Machu Picchu has since become one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world and a symbol of Incan civilization. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world, attracting visitors from around the globe who come to explore its terraces, temples, and panoramic views. The Nazca Lines are a series of enormous ancient geoglyphs etched into the desert plains of southern Peru, created by the Nazca culture roughly between 500 BCE and 500 CE. These designs include straight lines, geometric shapes, and detailed figures of animals and plants such as hummingbirds, monkeys, and spiders. Because of their massive scale, some stretching for kilometers, they are best viewed from the air, which has led to ongoing debate about how and why they were made long before modern flight. Scholars believe they may have had ceremonial or astronomical significance, possibly linked to water rituals in the arid region. Located in the country of Peru, the Nazca Lines are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and remain one of archaeology's most intriguing mysteries, attracting researchers and visitors from around the world. Vinicunca, often called Rainbow Mountain, is a striking natural landmark in the Andes of southern Peru, known for its vividly colored mineral-striped slopes. Located about a few hours from the city of Cusco, it sits at a very high altitude, making the hike both challenging and rewarding. The mountain's bands of red, gold, green, and lavender hues are the result of mineral deposits that were exposed over time by erosion and weathering. In recent years, Vinicunca has become a popular trekking destination, attracting visitors who are willing to brave the thin air and steep ascent for its surreal, almost otherworldly views.